Hey guys, so I am here with some sopping wet hair because I did a wash and go a couple days ago and now I'm kind of shampooing my hair. So here is what my hair looks like wet, and that's kind of just like the residue of like what's left and what's remaining. Shampoo my hair right now. For this wash day is the Creme of Nature coconut oil line, and as you can see the price on there is $4.99. So I'm going to be using the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in, the twisting cream, and the oil to do my hair. I've used these products before and I really like them. Section my hair down the middle and then clip one side with a claw clip and then take my shampoo. So the shampoo is like really creamy and opalescent, as you can see it coming out there. And I take like a quarter-sized amount and I work the shampoo around my perimeters first, because I use a lot of edge control and gel, so to like slick my hair back. So that's normally where I have the most buildup. I really like the shampoo because, as you can see, I just used a little bit even for the second half, and it has really good lather. Shampoo, I can finger detangle my hair while my hair is wet. So I take a little bit more shampoo and I go directly in the back here. Let me see if I can turn around. And I go back here and I really just get the shampoo. I have this little scrub brush like this. And it's kind of like a knockoff of like the Vanity Planet brush, but this one doesn't vibrate. I like to part my hair and then go ahead with the brush and then just scrub and massage. So if there's any products my hands couldn't get, I'll use this brush. And then also, if you notice, I'm also detangling my hair with this brush while the shampoo is in, and it does a really good job because the bristles are like this silicone. So then I can just go ahead and just detangle my hair and like get all of my back hair with the scrub brush. Because I really push my wash days to every 2 weeks, with all the refreshing and all of the products that I use through my hair, it really does need a good cleansing once I'm done. So now I'm just going back through and finger detangling the ends, and you're probably like, oh my god, you're finger detangling with shampoo in, but as you can see, everything is gliding through fine. I'm going to be using the ORS hair mayonnaise. All the deep conditioner through my hair, and I made sure I detangled it, and I put my hair in twist, and then I'm going to rinse this out, and then I'm going to take out the twist and go in with some conditioner, and then I'm going to rinse my hair after that. I like to condition after the deep conditioner, just because this one's a protein and it's a little like, sometimes it can leave my hair stiff, so the conditioner helps bring back the softness. I'm gonna put on this plastic bag and make sure that my hair is all tucked in. Normally I would sit under the hooded dryer, but since I didn't dye my hair today, I'm gonna skip that step because I want to do some other things around the house. So my Scandal bag is on, and then I'm just gonna take a beanie, and you could put like a double plastic bag on top if you want, like if you're just gonna be sitting around, but I'm gonna be moving, so I know it's gonna get hot in here, and I'm just gonna slip this on my head like this, and then I'm gonna leave this on for an hour. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's been about like 2 hours. twist out because I don't really want to do like bantu knots or like a braid out or anything. I thought about doing a braid out, but too time consuming. So I'm going to be using the leave-in, and then I'm going to be using the curling cream. They look like this. And I use this a lot. Like you can see how much I've used. So I have like maybe 3 or 4 more uses out of this, and it's great because these are $5. So I have no problem repurchasing them at all. Both of those products are $5. The shampoo and conditioner are $4 each, so that's $18. And then the oil is, well, I paid $5.49, so somewhere between $5 and $6. And I have the oil too, so I'm going to be using the oil as my sealer. Okay, so I finished twisting my hair, and this is what it looks like. And you can see this side I twisted first, and the product is all dried up. And it's probably going to take about a day and a half for this to set. Just going to pull my hair into a ponytail by tomorrow, like a little bun back here, because I know it's not going to be dry yet. And then probably on day 2 or day 3, depending on if it's dry or not, I will take it out.